Hi, Joe here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all the different ways you can create images and even videos in Ocoya's latest version 3.0. So once you're signed in the dashboard, we're going to hit Create. And this is the place that you can create your caption for social media. If we just click this button here, Explore Plugins, this is where all the magic happens. You'll see our design templates. Also from the drop down, we have lots of different options that you can create content from, which we'll talk about in a second. But for now, let's stick to our design templates. Today, I'm going to create an Instagram post. So our editor will open. We have a more advanced tutorial of how to use the editor on Ocoya University. So for now, let's just pick a random template from the list. This one looks cool. And once you've made your edits, we're going to click Export as PNG. And that's your image created. Another way, as you saw from the drop down, is to use Canva. So you can sign into your Canva account. And once you're signed in, you'll see these other templates appear. This time, let's create a Facebook post. And as you can see, these are all the different templates that you can use from Canva. Let's use this one. You can make your edits and then simply click Add to Ocoya. Great, and that's that image created. We also have a library of free stock images via Unsplash. So you can search for any image, select your favorite, and then that'll appear under your caption. Looking good. If you go back to the plugins, we can also use GIFS. So we've partnered with Giphy, and as you can see, there's lots of different GIFs that you can choose from. So if we just select one, it'll appear under your post. Finally, I'm going to show you how you can create videos with Ocoya. So if we click on the drop down again, we can go back to design templates. If you see on the bottom right here, we have HD video, square video. Let's click on square. And as you can see on the left, we have all the different templates that you can choose from. Again, we have an advanced tutorial of this in Ocoya University. So let's click on this one. As you can see, it's a brief video that you can edit however you choose. And once you're happy with it, let's just click Export and publish as MP4. And that's your video created. So that's all the different ways you can create images, videos, and even GIFs with Ocoya. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.